So far, about 100 million people have been infected by COVID-19 worldwide, and the disease has claimed the lives of more than 2 million people. Today, a variety of vaccines have become available to effectively control the pandemic. The main difference between modern and traditional COVID-19 vaccines is that the modern mRNA vaccines do not contain the whole virus, but only the blueprint of an important component of it, called the spike protein. With the vaccine, only this blueprint, a short piece of RNA, enters our body without altering our genetic code. This small RNA sequence, when injected into the muscle, initiates the production of spike proteins, and then it degrades. With traditional vaccines, the viral proteins, including the key spike protein, are injected into the muscle, usually in the form of inactivated viruses. The subsequent process is similar for all vaccine types. Immune cells patrolling the body present the spike protein as a foreign material to the helper T cells, the conductors of the immune system. These T cells alert the executors of the immune reaction, the killer cells, and the antibody-producing cells. These cells are capable of protecting our bodies from the attack of the virus, while also creating memory cells that remember the spike proteins of the coronavirus, which were prepared for a later virus attack. The most important outcome of vaccination is the development of immune memory. If the coronavirus attacks after this, it has little chance of success. Antibodies cover the virus and thus prevent it from binding to our cells to cause infection. Cells that have already been infected are ruthlessly destroyed by killer cells, along with the viruses inside. With vaccination, 90% of the infections do not develop into a disease, and if they do, the course of the disease is much milder than without vaccination. These coronavirus vaccines have been given to several million people worldwide who have become protected against the development of the disease. The only efficient tool to eradicate the pandemic is vaccination. So get vaccinated and continue to keep the rules of social distancing and wearing a mask. Do not forget to wash your hands thoroughly and regularly. You can get detailed information on vaccines from your treating doctor or GP, or the doctors who are on duty at the vaccination points.